How to get $100 Temu promo code. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. You can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Let's head over to Safari. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for Temu promo code 2024. This interface will open. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but you can head over to any one of it. Let me move into the very first site. You will be landing on a page. In here, scroll down and tons of different offers will be visible to you. From here you need to search for $100 coupon code. And once you find it, all you want to do is head over to it. Let's suppose this is your $100 coupon code. All you want to do is head over to it. Well, you can see the coupon code is visible to you. Now you just have to copy this coupon code. Once you have copied, you can head over to the application Temu and then apply this promo code. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get $100 Temu coupon code. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.